Good morning. I hope everybody out there is having a fantastic day. I am getting ready to go through and do round 2 of the garage clean out at my parents' house. So I want to just kind of walk through what I'm going to be going through. Last episode, I went through and pulled everything out. We got rid of a lot of stuff, tried to organize some stuff. So this is what I still have left in here, and just to kind of show you what I'm trying to do. So last time I went through, kind of just organized everything to get all the mowers and everything in here. We've got several ride mowers in here, ATVs, push mowers, all that stuff, the Gator. Then we've got another 4-wheeler over here with a log splitter. So my project today, I don't know if I'll get to this, but have a lot of old woodworking equipment and stuff. We're gonna go through that, and yeah, that's like a mountain of freaking gas cans over there. My dad, I guess, you know, with this, so many pieces of equipment, he always want to make sure he had plenty of gas. Well, now you know why there's a gas can shortage. But going through that stuff, I do have this Suzuki Samurai, which was mentioned in the last video. I've got it outside charging up. Battery was dead on it, so I have to get that battery. I don't think that's going to hold a charge. We're going to try and see. So as you can see, my dad's organization stuff over the last couple years has kind of went downward. I think that's probably could have been a lot to do with the brain tumor that he got diagnosed with this year. I don't know how long he's had that, but it seems like that could have been some of the cause. I mean, I think also just the way he was brought up, he kept everything. But we have a lot of stuff to go through. I'm gonna try to get all this stuff organized. It's just, you know, I don't even know what all's here. Just got to go through it all, try to make some sense of everything. But just to kind of show you what, I mean, pretty much every nook and cranny is going to be full of chemicals, and unfortunately a lot of this stuff is going to be probably really, you know, out of date or old. I mean, some stuff won't expire, but obviously some stuff will. Like I said, I don't even know what's in half of this stuff. I have to just go through it all and see. I mean, he's just got toolboxes after toolboxes. Now that's actually cool. Chemical guys. That's new. That's pretty new. But some interesting stuff that I found while going through this. Apparently he had pulled an old shopping cart out of the dumpster at some point. I'm not sure where it was from, but been using it to kind of put stuff in here that's kind of cool. I found this back in the corner. This was when the Olympics came to Atlanta. He had bought like it's a sealed up. Got cards and stuff in it. Thought that was kind of cool. Did find the manual, the Haynes manual for the Suzuki, so that's cool. Let's see. Got to just go through everything. We got a parts washer. It's funny because there's one here, and then there's one way over in the corner underneath those chemicals over there. It's brand new, not even been used. I guess when you don't use one, you need the second. But as you can see, I just have a lot of stuff to go through. There is some pretty cool stuff in here I've seen. Buried underneath this is it's like an old plow. Like it's got a seat. I'll have to look this thing up. I'm not sure what year it is. I mean, I wouldn't say it's super, super old, unless it's just been modified with newer tires, but it does look old. But it's like a old type of tractor. I don't know. Like I said, once I get everything cleaned out of this corner, I'll see what's in there. There's a bumper over there. I don't have any idea what it's to. More cabinets with stuff. I mean, I'm pretty sure all those air filters are still brand new. for a old pickup that he had. You know, stuff like that we don't even need anymore. But so yeah, there's a lot of stuff. And like I said, there's some cool stuff in here. It's just organizing the chaos is basically what I have to do, because it's not, and I apologize for the sweat. I mean, it's like 6 a.m. in the morning over in Alabama where I'm at, and it's just like so humid. Of course, I do have the garage door open over here. This garage, though, is really neat. I mean, the plan for this is pretty cool. I mean, it's got a door entrance here and a door entrance there, but I mean, with nothing in here, you could probably get 6 cars in here. I mean, it's definitely a big garage. It doesn't have a high ceiling, though, but it's not like you can put a lift or anything in here, but it is cool. But the reason why I'm trying to make room is because we have a tractor. Well, a couple tractors, but that tractor I'm wanting to get inside. So, yeah, because I don't like it being outside and there's no room in here, so. But that's probably for another video. Like I said, there's like come-alongs. I mean, I don't know. We're probably definitely going to have some type of yard sale once we get everything kind of organized. There's so much stuff, which we still have a bunch of ATV ramps, which we still have ATVs, so I need to keep those. But so you never know when you might need a lug nut. You'd think my dad had a tire shop, which, I mean, holy cow. I mean, this bucket is full of lug nuts. Another weekend down. Mission accomplished for the most part. Still have a lot of stuff to go through, but I've kind of organized the chaos somewhat. Definitely made a lot of room. Did end up selling another ATV, a couple other things, so that helped out. And now we have enough room to get the Suzuki in here and the tractor plus everything else, and still have room to walk around. So should make a pretty big difference. So here's the final result. So got the Gator in here, got all the mowers in here. We still have 3 ATVs in here now. We sold one of them. I still got to go through this stuff next time, and I've got a bunch of chainsaws and other things I'm gonna have to go through. A lot of old bottles. We found all kinds of stuff. It's crazy. So my plan is put the Suzuki here, because it's not going to be, it doesn't get driven that much. And actually, I'm going to put a video up of the walk around on that car. I did have to change a battery in it to get it to start this weekend, but the fuel pump's going out on it. So it's going to have to be, fuel pump's going to be changed out on it. So I couldn't do like an in-car video, which that car is pretty rough for me to drive anyway, because it is a manual. And it's, you know, with my hip, it's just, it's so tight. It's such a small vehicle, you know, because I'm kind of, you know, fat guy in a little car, and that thing's really a little car. But should fit fine right here, and then have plenty of room for the tractor to come in here. So we're gonna wrap this up. Next time I'm here, I'm gonna have to go through all this, just try to figure out, like I said, what's in all these cabinets. I did clean out one cabinet bank here this weekend, but I gotta be back to work Monday, so I can't work on it much more this weekend. I believe I might have a buyer for the log splitter, so that'll be a plus. Get that out of the way. Here's a little contraption, a David Bradley. This thing, somehow my dad traded it for something, but it's pretty cool. Looks old, but I mean, I don't guess it's kind of mid. I mean, it's got tires, but it's kind of an interesting piece. I think my uncle's gonna pick it up. He's wanting it, but it's kind of cool. Little tractor type plow, just pretty neat. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this was like super exercise for me this weekend. I mean, it was so humid over here. It was crazy. It's about 10:30 tonight right now, and I started about 6 o'clock in the morning for, day and a half basically doing that just to get to the point we're at. But next time I'm over, I can go through a lot of the chemicals, get a lot more stuff organized. One of these times I'm gonna have to bring some tables down and just take all the tools because he's got Snap-on. He's got so many tools, it's crazy. Trying to find anything that was hard. So, but I'm gonna fix that. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a like if possible. Subscribe if you haven't. Mostly I do some car stuff, but I also do some, organization, garage stuff whenever I got time. So, but anyway, I appreciate it. You guys all have a great night.